Hey guys, it is Renee Smith here, business scalability strategist, helping you to scale up your business and quality of life. Let's get it. It is Renee's Tuesday Think Like a CEO tip. Does your business need an edge? If so, join me at the Black Enterprise FWD Conference when I will be talking to you about the Black Card, which is all about minority certifications. Now, let's get real. Have you been operating your business not so legit? Well, if so, it is time to get legit. And L stands for you need to learn the certifying agencies. If you want to do business with major corporations and government institutes, you need to know how to get certified. E, you need to establish your business documents, your business license, your articles of incorporation, stock certificates, all that kind of stuff. G, you need to get your financial books in order. Make sure that you know where your money's going and where your money is coming from. I, you need to institute a procurement strategy, which simply means how does your potential client buy products or services. And T, you need to transform your value proposition to know what makes you unique and distinct. So, if you want to get legit, join me at Black Enterprise FWD Conference. Too legit to quit. Hey, hey, hey.